Welcome to Fun Kids Factory. Let's start the day with stories, numbers, and crafts to play.
Hi kids! Today, we are going to learn herbivore animals' names. Are you ready for the adventure? Let's get started!
Cow. Cow. Cow.
Choose grass all day to stay strong.
Cow. Horse. Horse. Horse.
Loves eating hay and grass.
Horse. Deer. Deer. Deer.
Loves munching on leaves and grass.
Deer. Elephant. Elephant. Elephant.
Eats over 300 pounds of plants every day.
Elephant. Goat. Goat. Goat.
Loves munching fresh leaves and grass.
Goat. Panda. Panda. Panda.
Eats bamboo all day long.
Panda. Camel. Camel. Camel.
Has a long neck and can survive dry conditions.
Camel. Sheep. Sheep. Sheep.
Fluffy and loves grazing on grass.
Sheep.
Great job, kids! You did so well! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks!